Hello guys. Today may dumating ng new sets of flavors of e-liquid from a new brand, and they have these 6 flavors, and the brand of the local juice. Oh, by the way, this is a local juice, no? The brand of the local juice is named Puff Me. You see the bottle? Puff Me. And so, umpisa na natin. So, ang itetest natin ay 6 na flavors, no? So, we'll start off with the first flavor, which is Crossroads. This is the bottle, and this is the label, and Crossroads. So, all the juices are in 50-50 ratio, PG/VG, and what I have right now is, or are Zeronic juices versus the Crossroads, 50-50 PG and VG. And my build right now is a 1 ohm 1 ohm build with the Revolution version 1 ATI and a freshly charged 18650 battery, and this is how it vapes. Okay, so ang Crossroads from Puff Me is oh, by the way, this will be the first time na matitikman ko yung 6 flavors, no? So after tasting the new flavors, yun, describe ko nga sa inyo, no? I have never tasted it, no? So after opening the package, niready ko na siya for review, and hindi ako nag-pre-test ng flavor. Ayan. So ang Crossroads, ang pagkalasa ko sa kanya is actually ang description nito sa site is a nutty chocolate. Yes, the flavor is similar to that, pero it is more on the, if you are familiar with the Snickers flavor, so yun ang halos kalasa niya, no? Yung Snickers flavor na mga e-liquids. Yep, definitely, no? Just like the Snickers flavor, no? So throat hit, mild because it is Zeronic, and the flavor is good para sa ano, no, sa isang Snicker flavored e-liquid na natikman ko, no? A little less sweet than the other brands, pero malalasahan mo talaga yung Snicker and the chocolate and what you call this, the nutty nutty flavor and the aroma. So vapor production is also good. Well, maybe because of the build na rin, pero definitely good, no, for a 50-50 PVD. Okay, so that is the Crossroads from Puff Me. So next is the Danger Line. Danger Line is also a 50-50 PGVG and a Zeronic. So the color of the e-liquid is yellowish, no? This is my first danger line. Okay, so ang description niya sa site is it's an apple tobacco, and definitely malalasahan may apple, no? And for the tobacco, meron siyang yung parang mild touch lang ng tobacco, no? And ang gusto ko rito sa danger line is the aroma. Parang there is this parang aroma na I don't know, parang something floral or ano, pero masarap siya amuyin. Hindi siya ganun ka-sweet. The danger line is not on the sweet side. Parang malalasahan mo lang yung apple, no? Pero hindi siya yung flavor ng apple na parang fresh apple. Para siyang some kind of an apple juice. Yan. So habang bine-vape mo siya is parang lalong nagiging buo yung flavor niya, no? Parang nagbi-mix na yung tobacco and the apple flavor, no? So okay siya, something new, and the flavor is also good. Hindi siya matabang, and throat hit, merong slight throat hit for a zero nick, siguro dahil doon sa tobacco flavor, no? And vapor is also good, and that is the danger line. Okay, so next on the puff me list, the third one is the Lips of Deceit. Lips of Deceit is 50-50 PGVG again, zero nick, and medyo clear yung kanyang liquid na. So lagyan natin few drops of Lips of Deceit. It's a fruit. Well, it's a lychee. Ngayon na lang uli ako nakatikim ng lychee flavor, no? Last time na try ko yata is 2 years ago, and I kinda miss this flavor, no? Sarap, lasang fresh lychee, and actually wala siyang parang wala siyang ibang combination ng flavors, no? It's just a lychee concentrate, or rather a flavor na on a little bit on the sweet side. So ang kanyang flavor is good. You can actually taste the lychee, no? Sa likod ng iyong tongue. Sarap. So siguro may compare ko siya do sa, alam niyo yung lychee fruit na yung canned na lychee. So ganun siya. Para siyang lychee, fresh lychee fruit na meron siyang syrup, tulad nga nung nakikita niyo doon sa mga grocery. So masarap siya, lasang fruity dessert. Well, throat it is almost zero for a zero nick ng lychee, or rather ng leaves of deceit. And vapor is also good. And aroma is also good. Mabango siya. So that is Coffmee's Leaves of Deceit. And let's go on to the next flavor. So the fourth flavor is the Sidewinder. And according to the description also, it is coffee with a creamer. So this is the Sidewinder. The coffee is there. Lasang kape siya. You can also taste the the cream, no? So also on the sweet side, pero not so sweet. And yung kape niya is malalasama talaga yung mild bitterness flavor ng coffee, no? So masarap siya. Para siyang kape na with hindi pronounce yung creamer. So mas evident yung coffee. And nandiyan na naman yung malakas na ulan. Sorry about that, maingay. Indeed, it's a good coffee mix, and na may konting creamer na on a little bit side ng sweetness. So yung flavor niya is good. Really good. Hindi nakakaumay. And vapor production is also good, no? Yung throat hit niya, there is this mild throat hit, pero hindi kasi lakas ng yung danger line. And so that is the Sidewinder for those coffee lovers, no? Sidewinder is a good flavor para sa akin. Pag tagal-tagal, no, parang nalalasahan mo yung alam mo yung coffee ko na candy, parang gano'n, coffee ko. Pero hindi siya close to coffee ko. Now parang the build up of the flavor is going to coffee ko na candy. Pero definitely it's more on the parang coffee beverage side pa rin siya. Maybe because of the sweetness of the flavor. So that is the Sidewinder from Coffee. So the fifth flavor is the Dancing Dead. So this is the bottle. So Dancing Dead, no? So, according to the description also, again, it's a frap. And also 50 PGVG. Again, zero nick. So this is Dancing Dead by Puff Me. Hmm. So Dancing Dead, um, para siyang merong coffee, and you can also taste the the chocolate, no? Well, actually, ang flavor niya is really close to the Crossroads, which is the nutty chocolate of the Puff Me. Yes, definitely closer to Crossroads. Pero parang siguro ito yung a lot less sweeter version of the Crossroads. Mhm. Okay, so para siyang mild version ng Crossroads. And flavor is um, a little subtle, no? Pagdating sa sweetness. And the production is better than the previous four. Throat hit is almost none. And that is the Dancing Dead. And last but not the least, the sixth flavor of Puff Me e-liquid is Nightmare. So Nightmare is a Boston cream pie with a touch of mint, and it is 50 PGVG again, and zero nip. Oops. Hmm. Boston cream pie nga. Indeed, it is Boston cream pie. And meron siyang ano, no? Very light lang. Very, very light uh, combination of mint or touch of mint. Sarap. So, that is the Boston cream pie version of the Puff Me. Yes, indeed masarap siya with a touch of mint. So, flavor for me, maybe this is the going to be one of my favorites, no? Among the flavors of Puff Me. Well, actually, I also like the Danger Line. Throat hit is almost none. vapor production is the best among the 6. And maybe this is going to be one of the most popular flavor of Puff Me, and also the Danger line. So that is Nightmare of Puff Me Juice. Now, if you are going to ask me, which will be my favorite among the 6, maybe the first one will be the Danger line, and the second is Nightmare, and Lips of Deceit, which is the Lychee version, and the Sidewinder, and the last two will be the Crossroads and the Dancing Dead. So definitely, this will be my top 2, Danger line and Nightmare. For the for the overall quality of the Puff Me e-liquid, they have this soft bottle, and which is good. Madali siyang i-drop, madali siyang gamitin for dripping, konting pindot lang papatak na yung juice. And also the labeling is also okay, it is parang siguro hindi siya computer print, and so the packaging is okay for me. It is good, and the flavoring is also good, and on a kind of a unique side. So if you want to try Puff Me Juice, I think it will be released soon. Definitely will be available on different vape stores locally, and the SRP will be 180 pesos, and definitely mura siya, and hindi siya again, anong tawag dito, inexpensive siya, and maybe this will be just the introductory price, pero once na lumabas ng Puff Me Juice, I'd like you to try it out, and tignan nyo kung ano yung magugustuhan nyo. Siguro I would recommend the Nightmare and the Danger line again, and masarap siya overall. So again, this is Prince Rivera, aka The Great. Keep on vaping and have a good day.